example from given in the question bank. So that will be shared with you afterwards. So let us take one problem. So one problem is that is Sachin and Pratham. So we'll take up the problem. I'll explain the problem. Sachin and Pratham commenced business in partnership on 1/4/2015 with a capital of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 80,000 respectively, agreeing to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. For the year ending 31st March 2016, they earned the profit of rupees 36,000 before allowing first one, interest on capital at 5% per annum, then interest on drawings. On Sachin's drawings it is 600 and on Pratham's drawings it is given as 1,000. Then yearly salary of Pratham rupees 6,000 and commission to Sachin rupees 4,000. The drawings during the year Sachin 16,000 and Pratham 20,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So I am writing the highlights of the problem here. There are two partners, Sachin and Pratham. Two partners are there, Sachin and Pratham. So those two partners have come together and commenced or have started a business. That is partnership business they have started. So what is the capital? Sachin's capital is 1 lakh and Pratham's capital is 80,000. Then the profit sharing ratio will be 3:2. Then for the year ending, that is they have started the business on 1st April, that is on the commencement day only they have started the business, and at the end of the accounting period, that is on 31st March 2016, that is after completing 1 year, they have prepared their final accounts, and after preparing their final accounts, they have arrived at the net profit as rupees 36,000. So this 36,000 profit has been calculated before making certain adjustments. What are those adjustments? First one is interest on capital. What is the interest on capital? 5%. So it is not adjusted while calculating the net profit. Then interest on drawings. On Sachin's drawings it is 600 and on Pratham's drawings it is 1,000. Then salary is there. So only for one partner there is salary allowance, that is for Pratham it is 6,000. So Sachin is not getting any salary, but Sachin is getting the commission. So commission to Sachin. So it is 4,000. There is no commission to Pratham. Then drawings are given. Sachin's drawings are 16,000 and Pratham's drawings as 20,000. So these are the highlights of this problem. That is they have started the business and with the capital, that is Sachin 36,000. So net profit for that particular year is 36,000. Okay, but this 36,000 net profit is calculated prior to making certain adjustments. What are those adjustments? Interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary and commission of the partners. What we have to do here is we have to make these adjustments out of the net profit of the firm. Then we have to see what profit or how much profit remains, and that remaining profits will be distributed among the partners according to their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Let us see the profit and loss appropriation account. How we will prepare it. So I am taking here one extra column, that is inner column, so that our calculation appears clearly. Profit and loss appropriation account. For the year ended 31st March 2016. So at the end of the accounting period we are preparing the final accounts. So the date is 31st March 2016. Okay, as I have told you, here while preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, first we have to take the net profit from the profit and loss account. So if it is a net profit in the profit and loss account, we have to take it on the credit side by profit and loss account, and the net profit for that year is 36,000. Then what we have to adjust out of here, out of this we have to adjust first one, interest on capital. Interest on capital. So two partners are there, Sachin. Sachin's capital is 1 lakh, and on that he will be entitled to receive 5% interest. That comes to 5,000. And on Pratham's capital is 80,000. On that it is 5%. 5% of 80,000 comes to 4,000. So the total interest on capital will be 9,000. Then interest on drawings. You will be taking it on the credit side. Interest on drawings. Interest on Sachin's drawings is given as 600, and on Pratham's drawings it is given as rupees 1,000. So total interest on drawings comes to rupees 1,600. Then what we have to adjust? Yearly salary to Pratham. As I have told you, here we are given yearly salary. If it is given monthly salary, we have to convert it to yearly. How it will be converted? Whatever monthly salary is given, just multiply it by 12. So you will be getting the yearly salary. Salary to Pratham. So Pratham's salary How much it is? It is 6,000. Then Sachin is entitled to get the commission. So Sachin's commission $4,000. What else we have to adjust? Then lastly we are given the drawings of the partners, but that will not be adjusted here. That will be adjusted in the capital account, not here. So these are the adjustments we have to do. So after making all these adjustments, we have to balance the account. We have to find out the remaining profit, which will be distributed among the partners. So here we have to balance the account, and at the outside we can see that the credit side total is more than. So the credit side total is 37,600. The same total we have to take on the debit side, that is 37,600, and the difference will be So the difference will be 18,600. So which will be distributed among the partners through their capital account. So to partners capital account. And what will be the share of Sachin and Pratham? So after making all the adjustment, the remaining profit is 18,600, which we have to distribute among the partners according to their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So Sachin will get 18,600 into his share is 3 out of 5. Then Pratham's share will be 18,600 into 2 by 5. And it will be 10,180. So these are, we have to distribute the profits among the partners. Then the next one. Next problem we will be taking here, that of Shiva and Basava. So here the problem is given as Shiva and Basava are partners. Shiva and Basava are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. In the next problem, we have two partners, Shiva and Basava. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. With the capital of rupees 25,000 and 15,000 respectively. Capital of Shiva is 25,000 and Basava is 15,000. Interest on capital is agreed at 6%. 10,000. A provision of rupees 2,000 is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So out of this profit, the manager has to be given a commission of rupees 2,000. Then interest on drawings is given. Interest on drawings. On Shiva's drawings it is 1,500. On Basava's drawing it is 1,000. So we are asked to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So two partners are there, Shiva and Basava. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:1, that is 2/3 and 1/3. Then capital of partners, Shiva's capital is 25,000 and Basava's capital is 15,000. Then interest on capital is 6%. Then salary only to Basava, Shiva will not get any salary. Then Basava will get 1,500 as annual salary. Then interest on drawings, on Shiva's drawings it is 1,500 and on Basava's drawings the interest is 1,000. Their profit on for annual profit is 10,000 and out of that we have to adjust the manager's commission also, which is rupees 2,000. Let us see how to adjust them in the profit and loss appropriation account. The same thing, we have to write the, we have to draw the format first, then we are writing the heading, that is profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2016. So like the trading account and profit and loss account, it is also a final account, hence we are writing it as on for year ending. So here, when preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, first of all we have to adjust the net profit of the firm. Whatever net profit has been calculated with the help of profit and loss account, we have to transfer it first to the profit and loss appropriation account. And according to the profit and loss account, the profits of the firm is rupees 10,000. So that we have to take first. Since it is a net profit, we are taking it on the credit side of the profit and loss account, loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, it is 10,000. Then after taking the net profit first, we have to make all other adjustments. What are the other adjustments? Interest on capital at 6% per annum, and interest on capital will be adjusted on the debit side to interest on capital. So we are given the capital of the partners. Shiva's capital is 25,000 and Basava's capital is 15,000. Shiva's capital is 25,000. Out of on that 6% interest, it comes to 1,500. Then on Basava's capital also 6%, but Basava's capital is 15,000. On that 6%, it comes to 900. So the total interest on drawings will be 2,400. Then what? Salary. Salary to Basava we have to adjust. To Basava's salary. So Basava's salary is how much? 1,500. Then interest on drawings we will be taking on the credit side. That is on Shiva's drawings it is 1,500. On Basava's drawings it is 1,000. Totally 2,500. Then out of the profit we have to give the commission to manager. To manager's commission. It is 2,000. Okay. So these were the adjustments we are expected to make out of the net profit. So we have done here. So now we have to see what the profit remains. So here we can see the credit side total is more. That means the profit remains. So it is 12,500. Take the same total on the debit side, that is 12,500, and the difference will be 6,600. So this is the remaining profit. See, the net profit of the firm was 10,000. The firm will be receiving the interest from the partners, that is 2,500. So the total income of the firm will be 12,500. Out of that, the firm has to give 2,400 interest on capital to partners. Then one partner salary 1,500 has to be given. Then the commission has to be given to the manager of rupees 2,000. After giving all these benefits to the partners and the manager, the remaining profits will be 6,600. And this remaining profits of 6,600 will be distributed among the partners according to their profit sharing ratio through their capital account. To partners capital account, that is Shiva and Basava. So remaining profit is 6,600, and out of in that Shiva's share is 2/3, that is 2:1. So Shiva's share is 2/3, and Basava's share 6,600. His share is 1/3. That is 4,400 and 2,200. Total 6,600.